This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today's Friday, April 1st, 2011. Today we're going to take a look at AVNR Pharmaceuticals. AVNR is a NASDAQ global market stock trading under ticker AVNR. Being a drug company, this must have been some good news, made it gap up, and it's held pretty well throughout several months. A nice little rounded look to it right through here, just moved above the 50-day. Volume's picked up a little bit over the last couple days. It's something that's going on. I want to see if it can break through some resistance levels, then try and push through to a new high. See, since the gap, long retracing the MACD, now heading back towards the money line. Histogram bars increasing. MACD looking like it's trying to go pretty bullish. Same way with the PPO. Of course, we're looking for both these lines in both cases to break through the north side of zero. ADX down pretty low. Lots of room for this to try and move and put together some strength to a direction. So that's in a good position for a possible stronger move. All three MFIs holding over top of 50. You can see the overall uptrend they had. Again, very bullish look. The accumulation distribution is trying to make some higher lows. Break through the top side of this channel through here. This is the highest point it's been at, and you can see about 6 months. Stock didn't close at the high of the day. You can see it pulled back just a little bit at the end, left a little bit of an upper shadow. Generally, when that happens, you'll see the shaking money flows start to put a little bit of a pullback to it. There was a little bit of selling involved, but still overall holding in the green. Buying pressure is dominant. See right through there, there was a nice uptrend heading back towards zero. Shaking money flow still looking good. CCI, of course, that break of 100 is the buy point. Nice uptrend, nice overall uptrend to it over the last month or so. And the full stow, we talk about this a lot of times. Want to see it hold the upper half of the indicator. See, basically curled down just slightly below it, but now it's turning back up, heading back into bull chart territory. And the tricks heading back towards zero, much like the MACD. You're looking for that break of zero to show some strong bullishness. Just a hint of a turn right now going on with the 7 RSI. But all in all three holding over top of 50. Basically holding over top of 50 for the better part of March. Also in a nice position. Charts like this with these rounded bottoms, if you miss and don't catch it right down here at the rounded bottom, it typically will wait and see if it's going to take out a resistance level and go into a breakout mode. See, it's closed at 408, 5.6 million shares traded. That's plenty of liquidity. Overall, developing an uptrend, trying to make a higher low. I'd look for that 375 level to hold as a support level on any pullback, the bottom part of that cup. Perhaps if it did pull back, if it can't break through this resistance, it might pull back, put together a double bottom sort of look. And if it rounds again and starts to climb, there's a pretty good chance it's going to try and blow through it the second time around. But right now, that resistance level right around $4.15 is pretty strong. You can see it couldn't make it back and through here in February. Early part in March tried, and now it just tried again yesterday. See, it did hit 418. It pulled back, but it's in a nice position. And the indicators are aligned nicely for this to try and break out. If it does, it's not really going to run into any more resistance until this 450, 453 area, which is a nice move from where it is. That's over 10%. And if that happens, this is kind of going into a breakout mode. It's not a blue sky. It still has these levels back here to deal with. But the chart will certainly be turned very bullish if it can make a break through that 450. As you can see, it's already trying to turn bullish. So I think it's time to put a close eye on this 415 marker, see if it can break that resistance. And if it does, see how it deals with this 450 area. But overall, the AVNR chart has a very nice look and has some strong potential to it. So this is definitely going on the watch list. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the AVNR chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thanks for watching and trade smart.